Today's lesson is the 9th lesson in topic 9, add mixed numbers. What we're going to do today, we will solve questions like these questions. Find each sum. Before we start, I know that you already know how to solve these questions using models, strips, or number lines. But today we will do it without models. So, to start, my heroes, please open your books and tell me what page is this?
514. 514.
Okay, Ahmed. Okay, Adam. Okay, my heroes. Now I will play a video and don't use your mic unless I call your name. Okay.
How can you add mixed numbers?
There are a couple ways you should know to make solving some equations easier.
Brenda mixes sand with 2 7/8 cups of potting mixture to prepare soil for her plant. After mixing them together, how many cups of soil does Brenda have? What information is in the problem?
Abdullah Al-Qadi.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, the information that we have here is 2 7/8 cups of pudding mixture.
Yes.
And in the picture itself, you can see this.
3 out of 8.
3/8.
3/8.
So we have two things: the amount of sand and the amount of pudding mixture. Okay.
Yes.
So these are the pieces of information that we have now, and let's see how we can use it. Thank you, my hero.
Brenda mixed 2 7/8 cups of potting mixture and 1 3/8 cups of sand. What do you need to find?
Abdulaziz Maher. Abdulaziz Maher.
Yes, mister, I am here.
What do we need to find?
We need to find
In the question.
we need to find how many cups of sand we can put in the...
Okay, so we need to know when we mix these together, what will be the total, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Abdulaziz.
You need to find how much soil Brenda has after mixing them together. What operation should you use to find how much soil Brenda has?
Select your answer.
Ali Qattan. Ali Qattan. Ali Zakaria. Danielle.
Teacher,
Yes.
you say my name?
Teacher,
Ali.
I'm Ali Zakaria.
Okay, Ali Zakaria.
Addition.
Addition. Thank you, Ali. Great work.
You will use addition to find out how much soil Brenda has. you can use properties of operations to add mixed numbers. When you break apart a mixed number to add, you are using the commutative and associative properties. How are the commutative and associative properties used?
Okay, before we continue, let's see. We have two mixed numbers. We need to add them. So, do you remember, my heroes, what we did before? We said that we can add the fractions together and the whole numbers together. Now, to do this, we should use addition properties, commutative and associative properties.
The commutative property allows you to change the order of the addends, and the associative property allows you to change the way addends are grouped. Together, the properties let you change 2 and 7/8 plus 1 and 3/8 to the sum of 2 plus 1 plus the sum of 7/8 plus 3/8. Find 2 and 7/8 plus 1 and 3/8 by breaking up mixed numbers. 2 and 7/8 plus 1 and 3/8 equals the sum of 2 plus 1 plus the sum of 7/8 plus 3/8. Add the fractions. 7/8 plus 3/8 equals 10/8. Then add the whole numbers. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Write the fraction as a mixed number. 3 and 10/8 equals 3 plus 8/8 plus 2/8. That equals 4 and 2/8. Find 2 and 7/8 plus 1 and 3/8 by adding equivalent fractions. 2 and 7/8 equals 2 plus 7/8. 2 is equivalent to 16/8. Then add 16/8 and 7/8. That equals 23/8. 1 and 3/8 equals 1 plus 3/8 equals 8/8 plus 3/8.
Teacher.
That equals 11/8.
Who's speaking?
If we forward back, when we add the mixed numbers 3 plus 8/8 plus 2/8, I know it equals 4, and I forgot the fraction. I know why. Because 2 8/8 is equal to whole 1.
Yes, great, thank you, my hero. But please do not use your mic without permission, okay? Thank you, my hero. Okay, now, my heroes, this is very important. Let's stop here and see what we have. This mixed number, this is mixed number, and this is fraction. We call it improper fraction. So we need to change the mixed to fraction, the mixed number to fraction. How to do this? It's 2 plus 7/8, and the 2 is 16/8. Why? Because 2 times 8 equals 16. So a whole 2 is equal to how many 8's? Equal to 16/8. So this is 16/8. Add them, you will get 23/8. The same here also. The whole one is 8/8. So 8/8 plus 3/8 gives 11/8. Okay, let's continue with the video.
Why does 2 and 7/8 plus 1 and 3/8 equal 23/8 plus 11/8?
Okay. Can anyone answer this? Why these two are equal? Anyone can help me now? Okay, I will answer. Yes, life, okay.
It's the same.
Why? This is the question, why?
Because the 8 plus 8, it will be 16. 16 plus it will be 24. And
You
here
mean
2.
23, you mean? Or another 8?
Not the same.
Not the same. Okay, in fact, my heroes, they are the same. And the question asks us why they are the same.
I know
Simply,
why they are the same.
okay, I don't want to waste time, so let me do this. This mixed number is the
Can I
same.
say it? Because I think
Okay.
because the denominator is the same.
Muhammad, no. This is not right. Because 7 eighths, for example, this is example, for example, not equal to 2 eighths. They are not equal. Not every time you have the same denominator, so this is equal. No, of course, no. So my heroes, as you can see here, this mixed number is equal to 23 over 8. This one. And also 1 and 3 eighths is equal to 11 eighths. So simply, instead of adding these two, we can add these two. Okay, let's see.
2 and 7/8 is equivalent to 23/8, and 1 and 3/8 is equivalent to 11/8. So their sums are equivalent. 23/8 plus 11/8 equals 34/8. Write 34/8 as a mixed number. 34/8 equals 8/8 plus 8/8 plus 8/8 plus 8/8 plus 2/8. That equals 4 and 2/8. Brenda has 4 and 2/8 cups of soil. Is there another way to change 34/8 to 4 and 2/8?
Okay, of course we have many ways. We have another way. Let's see it.
There are other ways to change 34/8 to 4 and 2/8. You could also change 34/8 to 32/8 plus 2/8. 32/8 is equivalent to 4. So 32/8 plus 2/8 equals 4 and 2/8. Now you know how to add mixed numbers.
And now, my heroes, please go back to the book. And let's move to the next page. Let's start with question number 1. I will make this a little bit larger. Malik Tamer?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, go ahead, Malik. Brenda?
3.
No. Question number 1.
Okay. Okay. Brenda adds 1 and 1 of peat moss to her soil, and the problem on the previous page. How much soil does Brenda now have? Explain.
Do you remember the video? It was 4 and 2/8. This is the soil, the total. Do you remember?
Yeah, not really.
Okay, I tell you that you can see it in the previous page in the book. Check it.
Okay, just a second. Let me
Okay,
see.
check that the soil, the total soil now is 4 and 2/8. And Brenda is going to add another thing. So this is new thing. She'll add this to what she had already. She had 4 and 2/8. Now let's add the new part. My hero, are you with me?
Yes, we are here.
Okay, Ibrahim, I'm not asking you.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Malik.
Yes, teacher.
So this is the total soil in the previous page. Add to it 1 and 1/8.
Yes, plus 1 and 1/8.
Go ahead.
Yes, 4 plus 1 equals 5. Make a big 5 like this. Yes, and 3/8.
Yes, thank you, my hero. Great work. And the next question, my heroes, use another strategy to find the sum of it. It's the same. It's the same question. But we need to find the sum with another way. Can anyone tell me any other way? Of course, we can use the models. Do you remember the models? Oh, but this one here, we need to solve it without drawing. So we can do it like the video. Okay, let's see what happened in the video. We will take 4 and 2/8. Remember, this is mixed number. We will change it to be a fraction. How to do this? Okay, I'll erase it from here because I need space. And I'll write it up here. Or okay, no problems. Let's do it here. Down, no problem. So 4 and 2/8. This is equal. 4 is 8/8 plus 8/8 plus 8/8 plus 8/8, or simply, how many 8's in 4? Can anyone help me? The whole 4 is how many? Okay, Ali, how many 8's in the 4?
4.
Oh no, of course no. The whole one is 8/8. So the 2 is 8/8 plus 8/8. So the 3 8/8 plus 8/8 plus 8/8. So the 4 is how many 8's? Yes. So how many 8's in all?
32. Teacher, 32.
Okay, can you tell me why it's 32? Because 4 times 8 equals 32. That's why. So I can replace this with 32/8 plus, sorry, 8's, not 4's. I replace it with 32/8 plus 2/8. So it will be 34/8. Any problems? Let's do the same with the other number. 1 and 1/8. The 1, how many 8's in 1? 8/8.
8/8.
Plus 1/8 that we have, so 1 and 1/8 is equivalent to 9/8. Now let's use the two new fractions. 34/8 plus 9/8. And Ibrahim al-Halafawi, how many eighths do we have now in all?
Yes, teacher?
How many eighths? 34 plus 9.
42 or 43 like this.
42 or 43?
43.
Okay.
Or 42, 42.
Oh.
I don't know.
Okay, when you add 9, so you can add 10 and take away 1.
Okay.
So 44, take away 1, it will be 43.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the next step is to write this as a mixed number again.
Okay.
Okay. I need to know how many whole do we have in 43/8. The one whole is 8/8. 2 whole is, remember, 1 whole is 8/8. 2 whole, 16/8. 3 whole, 3 times 8.
3 times 8.
24. So 4 whole, 4 times 8. 32. 5
Yes,
whole.
teacher, I was talking to my mom.
So yes, I see that 5 whole is 48. So I can take away 48 and I will have remaining 3/8.
Oh,
So
okay.
the 48, this is equal to 5, and I have here 3/8. So it will be 5 and 3/8. So we get the same answer like question number 1, but using another way. So my heroes, thank you, Ibrahim. So my heroes, you can use the first way in question number 1 or the second way in question number 2 to solve any addition problem for mixed numbers, to add 2 mixed numbers. Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next question, question number 3. Al-Hassan Al-Hilal.
I'm here, teacher.
Go ahead.
Teacher, my internet is lag. What the number? What the
Question number 3.
answer? 3 or 4?
3.
3. Okay.
Of course, start with adding the fractions and adding the whole numbers. Go ahead.
7 plus 2 equal 9.
9 what?
Over 8.
Yes. And 1 plus 1?
1 plus 1, 2. 2.
2 whole.
1 plus 1, 2.
Great. Now,
Yes.
this is 9/8. I have a problem here because
9/8.
we need to rename. Why?
Minus.
Rename why?
Do minus 8 over 8.
Okay, so it will be 2 plus 8 over 8 plus how many
And
remaining?
the 2 will be 3.
Yes, and how many remaining? How many eighths? 1/8. So it will be 2 plus 1 plus 1/8. So 3 plus 8 is 3/8. 3 and 8.
Hey, bye.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Any problems, my heroes? Any questions? Okay, let's move to the next question. Abdullah Zabad. Abdullah Zabad. Abdullah Zabad. Abdullah Al-Qadi. Abdullah Al-Qadi.
Yes, teacher.
Question number 4.
Yes. Okay. 2 and 4 tenths
plus
And
5 and 5/10. Go ahead.
We will plus the 4 and 5.
It will be
9.
9/10, not 9.
9/10
And the whole
is 7.
Okay, do we need to rename?
No.
No, because 9/10 is less than 10/10. 10/10 is the whole one. This is the whole one. So we don't need to rename. So that's all to do with question number 4. Thank you, Abdullah. And let's move to the next question. Okay. Mohammed Shaban.
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Go ahead.
Question 5. If 4 and
no.
2/3 plus
Okay. What is your answer? Go ahead.
answer is 5 and 4/3.
Do we need to rename?
I don't think so.
Oh, the whole one, how many thirds? 3/3.
3/3.
So yes, we need to rename. So
Okay.
how many whole can we take? We can take
1.
3/3, and we have remaining 1/3.
Is equal to 1, so 1 minus 5 equals
1 plus 5, you mean, equals 6. And we have 1/3. So the final answer is 6 and 1/3. Any problems, my heroes? Thank you, Muhammad. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Salman. Salman,
Yes, teacher.
quickly, my hero, go ahead.
Question number 6. 6/5 is 6.
Add them. Okay, 5/12 plus 11/12.
It's gonna be 10.
10 and 16 12. Okay. Do you need to rename?
Yes, we need to.
Okay, so this is the 10 as it is, plus we will take how many?
We're
12
gonna take 12.
12s, and the remaining will be how many 12s?
How many 12s is it's gonna? It's gonna be 12. Wait, teacher. It's gonna be. So it's gonna be 14.
4.
Wait. 4.
16 minus 12 equals 4. Now,
Yeah.
the 12/12 this is whole one. Add it to the 10. It will be
11.
11 and 4/12. So the final answer, my heroes, is 11. I will write it down here. 11 and 4/12. Okay, thank you, Salman. And the next question. Muhammad Zaki,
here.
go ahead.
4/3.
Oh, great, thank you. Let's move to the next question. And the next question, Karar.
Here.
Go ahead.
Here.
9/12 plus 5/12.
No, 12 is 9 plus 5 equals 14 and 12 plus
8 plus 5.
and
No, do not add the denominator, my hero. Do you remember? We add only the numerator and use the same denominator. 8 plus 5.
8 plus 5 equals
13. Do you need to
13.
rename?
Yes.
This is more than 12 twelfths. So we will take 12 twelfths. And how many twelfths remaining? It's 14. And we take 12. How many remaining? 2.
2.
So now 13 plus 12 twelfths is a whole one. So 13 will be 13 plus 1 is 14. And the fraction?
2
twelfths. Okay, thank you, my hero. My heroes, any questions? Please write quickly. And now I'll send to you the link of the game.